Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my perfumes that I enjoy. Let's get into this video. So first off, let me say this is my 88th attempt of doing this video, and I'm not going to do it again after this one, hopefully. First of all, please note I am not a chemist. I did not go to school to be a chemist. I did not study all of these types of chemicals to produce a beautiful scent for perfume. So with that being said, I'm not providing any notes for the perfumes I'm about to share with you. Just know, if she said they smell good, they smell good. So I purchased my first one in 11th grade. I stayed using that same perfume up until maybe 2017. And that perfume is Clinique Happy. I do still have this in my collection. I feel the Clinique Happy will always and forever be a scent. I'll forever keep Clinique Happy in my repertoire of perfumes because this is just, it's nostalgic for me now. Obviously, if I was wearing it back in the 11th grade, it's very nostalgic for me, and it just gives me that comfort of home. It makes me think of home. I will not think of a place where there's love overflowing. But Clinique Happy is a very beautiful scent. If you're a person that doesn't wear perfumes but you want to get into wearing perfume, I would go with Clinique Happy. It's a keeper, and she will forever be with me. So Clinique, don't discontinue this one, okay? Do not discontinue this one. Let's jump into some more that I have purchased. One that I purchased is DKNY Be Delicious. This is another oldie but goodie, and I don't think I'll not have this in the collection as well. This is another scent that's kind of like Clinique Happy, but with me, Clinique Happy is like an all-season type of perfume. Let me say this thing. Whenever you buy perfume, you can wear it whatever day, whatever season, whatever hour you want to wear it. Don't let anybody say, oh no, that perfume is only for the summer. Don't let people tell you that. If you go out and purchase it, it's for whenever you want to wear it. Anita told us 365 days. 365 days of the year. Do that. But I have only worn this really in the summer because I initially bought it in the summer. So it was my summer scent. It's very, very beautiful. I think every scent that I'm going to tell you is beautiful. Some of them I won't say beautiful. Some of them I'll say sweet. But this one is not in the sweet family. It's kind of like when you say it's not in the sweet family. What is it, in the sour family then? I don't know. But it smells really, really good, refreshing, light, airy. And if you want to try it, you could try it. I found mine at Ulta. So it's the DKNY Be Delicious. My next one is one that I did not know everybody was on the train for. But I'm proud of y'all. And it's the Burberry Her. When I smelled this, I instantly thought of hairspray. Don't come for me. It made me think of hairspray like found in a luxurious hair salon. Like it made me think of how I would think a hair salon would smell in Beverly Hills. Like your high-end hair salon where like a silk press is gonna cost you $400. But you throwing the cash down. Now, I don't know if a silk press costs $400 regularly. If it does, she will never be receiving one. But I'm just saying, I don't know how much a silk press costs. Maybe I should look it up. I'm not going to look it up. But let's just say what I'm saying is right. So I think when I smell this, that's what I think of. I think of high-end, expensive hairspray that's captivating, that makes you want to buy the hairspray just because it smells amazing. This is definitely not hairspray, okay? This is Burberry Her, and it is a sweet, but not too sweet. This isn't your Ariana Grande sweet like candy, your, what is it called? Pure sugar? It's not called sugar. What is it called? Pink Crush? Pink Sugar Crush? What is the perfume called? Pink Sugar? It's not that, or your Viva La Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture, Viva La Juicy. I'm gonna get these other names right one day. But it doesn't give you that type of sweet. To me, those types of sweets are like immature. Not saying there's anything wrong with wearing those if you're an older woman. Not saying that at all. Just to me, it gives me an immature vibe. It's something that a high school girl would wear and, you know, would be doing it. It's something I would wear if I were in high school. But however, I could not wear those types of perfumes in high school because I got away with this one because it was giving what it was supposed to give. So with the Burberry Her, to me, this is like the mother of those sweet ones I just mentioned. So lovely, beautiful. The staying power is amazing. I squirt 2 times, like 1, 2, and that's it. Because then I just dab my wrist on my neck and I'm good. I can smell it all day long. And I purchased this in the summer. However, I do not feel that it is a one type season scent. I feel that you can wear this Anita Baker. 365 days of the year. So again, this is Burberry Her. She smells great. She smells lovely. Do I suggest you buy it? Yes. Would I repurchase this one? Yes. 5 out of 5 stars. 5 out of 5. The next one I have is Atelier Cologne, and it came with a candle, and I don't even have to describe the scent from either or because of course they both smell alike, obviously. But let me just tell you what the candle says, and this is going to make you know what the scent smells like. The candle says bougie perfume. Okay, that's what the candle says. So just know this smells real bougie, real luxurious, real good, and the projection of it, amazing. They do sell them at Sephora, so if you can get your hands on them, grab it, and you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. It just smells rich. It smells like you really are bougie, but you can talk to people. Not like the stuck-up bougie. Next perfume. My next one is the Tiffany Co Love. This is a very mature smell. It gives me mature and what you got to say? You can't have my number. She's taken. You know, that's what it gives me. That's what it gives me. It gives me like a whole nother alter ego on top of that alter ego. But this is a long lasting. It projects very well. And I don't think I'll have to repurchase it because I've made myself not wear it all the time. I'm like, moderations, Amelia. Moderations, be moderate, okay? Not all the time, not every day. Okay, every other day maybe. Don't wear this one every day. Tiffany Co Love, I love it, is mute. There's really not much I can say about it. That's how amazing it is. That's like all my perfumes though. So let's just go into the next one. My next one that I purchased is the Ellis Brooklyn Sweet. She's your mature sweet as well. She's not giving Burberry Her sweet. She's giving like a lighter, airy sweetness to it. Burberry Her gives you more of a warm. That's that. We can say that term. Burberry Her gives you more of a warm sweet. This one gives you more of a light sweet. But it's not so light to where it wears off in 30 minutes. The projection of this one is amazing as well. And when I first smelled it, I loved it instantly. And I just didn't want to pay the full price. So they that wait shall renew. So I waited and I ended up getting a coupon for it. So I purchased it. Now the funny thing about this one, especially the scent, I sprayed the scent on a strip. And once I got in the car, I dropped the strip in between the seat and the console. And you know, that area is just the most annoying area in a car. So it ended up staying in between the seat and the console for about maybe 2 days. And I get in the car and I was like, I smell something and I don't know what it is. And it was the strip. It's amazing. Amazing. It was an amazing smell. So even after you've worn it for a couple of hours, it's still a beautiful scent. And I had to stop wearing it as well because I had to remember you have other perfumes. But I give them all a chance. all of them get a chance to where I'm putting a dent in them, because that's what you do when you wear perfumes. I don't just collect them so they can collect dust. So the next perfume I purchased, I thought I was purchasing a different one because that's the one I smelled in the store. But then when I got home, I found out I didn't even purchase the right one. And it's the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one, Intense. So I didn't realize it was Intense until I read the box. And I was like, wait, Intense? EDP Intense? That's not what she wanted. I just wanted the regular one. So I went on and purchased it, and I was like, if I don't like it, I'll take it back. So when I smelled it initially, I was like, ew. But then I let it wear, and it was giving me happiness. I was like, okay, I can dig it. So this is the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one, Intense. It smells amazing. If you're an initial scent type of person, like if the initial scent is going to turn you off, don't smell it once you spray it. Just let it wear on you and then smell it a couple of minutes after that. But it was not giving, this is what we gonna wear anytime. This was giving, take it back. Because the thing is, I smelled the original one and that's what I fell in love with. That's the one that I like the most. So we went and purchased that one also. Now, neither one smelled the same, obviously. But I feel that if this is the Intense version of this one, that this one's gonna smell stronger. This one smells stronger. The original one smells stronger than the Intense to me. But I found myself gravitating to this one, to the Intense, more than the original one, which is weird. But I was beginning to put a dent in the original one, so I had to like stop myself from using it. But this one just smells so good. And to me, they're both warm scents. I just think this one's a darker scent than the Intense. Now, you may feel differently for those that have both of them. That's fine. That's why you wear them. That's why I wear them, okay? Opinions. Everybody has it. But the projection of these are very, very good. The lasting power, they are still on my clothes. So these smell amazing. I can see myself wearing these all season as well. Will I wear them all season? I don't know if this one's gonna last. But once it's gone, it's gone. I'm not gonna repurchase this one. Because I want to stay true to the game. To what I initially liked. But amazing scents. Amazing. And these are, again, the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one Intense, and just the only one. And of course, I like the packaging of this one. So those are the perfumes that I've recently been wearing, and perfumes that I kind of pushed to the back because I put dents in them. I'm going to mention those as well. And we have the Dolce & Gabbana Light and Blue. Everybody should know this smell. Everybody should know this smell. But it's the Dolce & Gabbana Light and Blue. I had to stop myself from wearing this because I had gotten it for Christmas and I wore it every day. The next one we have is Gucci Bamboo. Gucci Bamboo, you don't even need to spray this one for this one to be loud. This is so loud. And it's so loud. I've had this for a very long time, and this is the amount that I've used. When I say it does not, and this was really like my Sunday perfume, like I'm gonna wear this for church. But do you guys remember Hercules when he sung I Can Go the Distance? This is what that is. If I was to spray this, I'm sure my neighbors would be able to smell it. So Gucci Bamboo, I like it. It's a very mature scent. It's another mature scent. It kind of puts me in the mind of the Tiffany Co, but this is really in a bracket of its own. It gives that expensive Beverly Hills beauty shop, salon, and you can't even call it a beauty shop. You gotta call it a salon. It gives definitely high-end, bougie type of scents, and if that's who you are, that's who you are. You need Gucci Bamboo, and think they still sell it. I don't think it's been discontinued. My next perfume, I actually wore this perfume on my wedding day, and it's the Tocca Simone. This gives you picturesque, wonderful, Minnie Riperton singing in the background, loving you, fanfare. That was Denise Williams. No, that was Minnie Riperton, because she said Maya. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But it gives you like the most sexy, sensual, beautiful, comfortable type of scent. I don't say I only pull this out on special occasions, but when I was going to church before COVID attacked us, I was wearing this on Sundays as well. So it was like I was choosing between Gucci or the Tocca Simone. If I was to recommend one perfume, it would probably be this one. They have other scents, but this is the only one that I can tolerate. The other ones give me, I don't want in my collection. And so this is the one that gives me, yes, we are one. So the last one I want to talk about, it gives me sad moments to announce. CK2. It's been discontinued, so if you have never smelled it, you probably never will smell it. I can't find it anywhere. No, I cannot find it. And I searched all over. CK2 is a unisex. In my opinion, it's a unisex perfume. I feel that if I was to go and spray this on Cliff, he would be like, what is that? And I'd be like, exactly. This is my second bottle. And once I started getting low on this one, I was ready to repurchase, but that's when I found out it was discontinued. And I was like, but for why? No one could give me a reason. So if we could write to CK. So if we could write to Calvin Klein and ask him to give us a reason on why they discontinued this, you know, we'll be good. Because this needs to never be discontinued. This needs to be a staple like Clinique Happy. CK2 smells so amazing that I'm not going to take this top off and smell it because I'll probably get disappointed. But the projection of this is amazing as well. It smells like, it kind of does smell like a man's cologne, but it's not, okay? It's not a man's cologne. This just smells amazing. It gives you like that spicy, warm, cool. This is, I was gonna say this is TLC, crazy, sexy, cool, but you know, we're not even gonna go there because it is what it is. This is amazing. If you see this at like your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington's, Ross, if you see it, CK2, buy it. Don't be like, I wonder what this smells like. Buy it. Don't even wonder. Buy it. Not CK1, not CKB, not CKNTU. I'm talking about CK2. If you see it, buy it. You'll thank me later. But I'm gonna say you're welcome now, okay? Hi guys, it's Editing Amelia here, and I know you're wondering why the video just stopped, because I'm gonna do a part 2. There's too much stuff that I'm saying, and I don't want to keep editing this, so we're gonna just chop it up, and I'm gonna give you guys a part 2. Anyway, until I make my next video, I'll see you then, and don't forget to listen to Dknyb. Bye.
Subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.